Hey there, this is Brendan with Business for Chummies. In this video, I'm going to share with you one of my favorite side gigs, reviews for Amazon products with Upwork. I'll be walking you through step by step and showing you how I get companies to send me products like these for free and then pay me $5, $10, and even $20 to submit my review. Let's jump right in. You're probably familiar with Amazon, the global online marketplace, but you may be less familiar with Upwork. Upwork is a platform that allows people and companies to post jobs and hire freelancers from anywhere in the world to complete those jobs. One of the many types of jobs you can find on Upwork is for product reviews. There are a lot of companies on Upwork willing to give you a free product and then pay you for your honest feedback. This helps them improve their product as well as build a purchase history on Amazon. The first step is to sign up for a free Upwork account. Visit the link in the video description or upwork.com to sign up. Once you're registered, complete your freelancer profile. With a free account, you can create up to 3 different profiles. Create a profile specifically for product testing. This doesn't need to be anything fancy, and I've added a template in the video description to help you out. Okay, once you've completed your profile, it's time to start searching for product testing gigs. So I want you to navigate back to the Upwork homepage or click on the Find Work link here in the main menu, and this will bring you to the job search screen. So in the search box, I'm going to search for the words product tester and hit search. And what I'm going to do here is just scroll through some of these gigs, but prior to that, I want to set one specific filter. So over here on the left under the client info section, I want to check payment verified. And this will ensure that everyone that I'm looking at has had their payment method verified, and the payment will be a lot more secure that way. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to scroll through and read through some of these descriptions until I find a gig or a product that I'm actually interested in. There's lots of options here. If you're less picky, you can just start selecting products and start making money. You don't necessarily have to care about the products, but I do like to prioritize the products that I think I might actually use in my home. So here at the top, looks like we have a few like web application, product testing. We've got another web app. Looks like we've got one here for a compact makeup mirror. Not too interested in that. Here we've got another mirror. Looks like we've got a general online purchase. Another handheld mirror with lights. Looking for just something here that piques my interest. Oh, here we go. The one here, last one on page 1 here. Test our product and one picture. Looks like this is for a product in the active lifestyle, sports, and drinkware category. So this sounds like it might be some sort of thermos or sports mug. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. I'm going to click on this. We'll get a little bit more information here about not only the gig, but the client as well. All right, so we have our description here of the gig, but over here on the right, there's some more interesting information about the client. So we can see that out of 10 reviews, all 10 reviewers have given 5 stars. That's good news. We can see that this client has spent a total of $3,000 on Upwork. Then they have hired 24 people, 9 of which are currently in the process of doing a gig. So this looks like a pretty good job, straightforward. I'm going to go ahead and submit a proposal. Remember that profile we created earlier? At the top here under the proposal settings, we want to switch from our general to our product reviews profile. Again, we have the job details. This is pretty much the description of the job itself. Next is the terms. So these are the terms in which you'll receive payment. So the client's budget is $15. After Upwork takes its fee, which is 20%, you will receive $12. Now, one thing we haven't seen in the description at all is that we will be paid upfront for the cost of the product. And so we want to make sure that when we submit our proposal that we clarify and confirm that we will be receiving the cost of the product prior to us having to purchase it. In the duration here, I'm going to select less than 1 month, as it shouldn't take me any longer than that. And then in the cover letter, I'm going to include some content. All right, so I've entered some cover letter content here. It says, hello, my name is Brendan. I am new to Upwork, but I have experience providing product reviews with honest feedback. I will review the product for quality, packaging, and ease of use. I will include at least one product photo with my review. And here's the important part. Please confirm I will receive funds to cover the cost of the product in full prior to purchasing. So we absolutely want to make sure that we're not paying out of pocket for this product because that's not the gig. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for your consideration. No need to include any kind of attachments, and no need to boost the proposal because you're not actually competing with anybody. Remember, they're pretty much hiring anybody that qualifies. So I'm going to hit send for 2 connects. Next, I'll check yes, that I understand this is a fixed price project and I understand the terms of fixed price projects, and then I'll hit continue to submit. All right, my proposal has been submitted, and now all I need to do is sit back and wait for the client to send me a contract. All right, after submitting several proposals, I have received an offer from one of the clients here for a pocket Sudoku puzzle book. Here's the offer that I have accepted. First, it will be a $9 payment to cover the cost of the product. Here's a quick view on Amazon of the product. You can see here the cost of the product is $5.99. That will include a little bit of taxes. And then because I have an Amazon Prime account, the shipping will be free. So the amount of the milestone here on Upwork will cover the cost of the product. And then once I receive that product, I'll conduct my review, take some photos of the puzzle book. I'll submit that screenshot, and then there's another $20 milestone here that will cover the cost of my effort to provide that review. I have now received the product in the mail. It was a nice little puzzle book. I do enjoy doing a puzzle once in a while. I reviewed the product, used it, and then I left a review on the Amazon product page. You can see my review here, gave it a 5 stars. I did quite enjoy it. I took a few photos for the review, including the book, some of the inside photos, and then one of the screenshots. It actually came with a companion app that gives you some insight in how to solve some of the puzzles. I thought that was pretty neat, so I took a screenshot from my phone there. I submitted my review in my Amazon account. It does take a couple days sometimes for those reviews to post, but once it's posted, I'm going to grab a screenshot of this review here and let them know that I have submitted that review and it has been posted. So I'll jump back over into my contract here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to submit the work. I'm going to request the payout for the $20 milestone. I'm just going to enter some information here. All right, so I've added a message to the client, and then I've attached a screenshot just showing my Amazon review has been posted, and then I'm going to go ahead and submit. All right, I have submitted a request for that $20 to be released, and now I'll just go ahead and wait for the client to approve my request. I've received a very quick response from the client here. You can see that that second milestone for $20 has been paid, and so this contract has been completed. I've received a total of $32, $9 initially to cover the cost of the product, and then an additional $20 to cover my effort for the review. And so a very successful project here, and now it's time to move on to the next one.
Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something and had some fun. Don't forget to subscribe to Business for Chummies for more great videos every week.